Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you a full hosting tutorial booking.com facility setup, amenities, and rate plan. So basically, as you can see right here, this is like the booking.com, right? And you're going to be able to see many offers and deals for your bookings around the world, right? You can set up places in Germany and Canada or whatever it might be. You're going to be able to set, uh, reservation or booking to these kind of places, right? So basically, this is like the inner or home feed, and you're gonna be able to access the, let's say for example, I want to go ahead to this property, right? I'm gonna just try to open it, right? And it's gonna direct me to the hotel, and basically you're gonna be able to see that property right here, and you're gonna be able to see many different templates for that property, right? You're gonna be able to see this hotel have multiple, suites or rooms, right? You're gonna be able to see what kind of room it is and the amount of money, adding taxes, and basically you're gonna be able to select the filters right here from the hotels. And if you want the free Wi-Fi, you can just narrow it down to the free Wi-Fi right here, and basically air conditioning as well. If it was important to you, you could just go ahead and set it. And basically this is like how you can find and book your own hotel, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see right here online payments, accept online payments. And from here, if you want to add another facility like a spa bath, hot tub and kitchenette, and if you want a terrace and washing machine or refrigerator or something like that, you can narrow it down at your own time, right? So basically this is like a facility, how you can see it from here, right? Now if you want to see like the rates or how you can access the rates, you need to have like a business in the booking.com. And unfortunately for me, I don't have a business right yet in the booking.com, but I will show you how you can access the rates plan onto your booking.com, right? And basically if you want to set up a new rates plan, you're gonna be able to understand the rates plan and select the different plans. So it will help you, basically the rates plan, it will help you this includes like cancellation policies, prices, number of days between booking and check-in, length of stay, room or unit type, and meals if they are available. So you can pre-order your booking and select the plan that you see fit. And basically you're gonna be able to book early, so you can get on time and have the perfect room and the perfect setting for your plan, right? And you have rates plan policy or rates plan types. You have the fully flexible. This rates plan offers potential bookers more freedom in case their travel plans or other circumstances change, right? Because guests are willing to pay a little more for extra peace of mind. Fully flexible rates and tend to be the most expensive. You have the non-refundable. This type of rates plan helps you secure more guaranteed bookings and revenue, especially for travelers on the budget. Although non-refundable rates are generally lower than fully flexible rates, the lower rates are more compelling for travelers looking for the best value and tend to generate more bookings. And basically have right here the additional rate plans. In addition to these two rate plans type, we encourage you to explore rate plans that can help you attract particular groups. Options include early booker, child rates, and long stay weekly or monthly rate plans. And or you can create your own custom rate that fits your business need. So basically you can just select a different plan from the rate plans, and you're going to be able to attract those clients that from different different layers. So if you want to access the rate plan, you can just go ahead to log into the extranet and then click rates and availability and select rate plans, and then add the new rate plan. You can add the calendar, the date and all that. Choose the type of plan that you want to add, then click add rate plan, and then on the next page just try to set up details of your rate plan, and then click review, and then click activate rate plan. So basically you're going to be able to attract the rate planners from around the world, and you're going to be able to help them set up or help them fit their own schedule. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.